Boom. Moving day here at Nomadic Cooling. We're moving from Phoenix, Arizona to Peoria, Arizona. We're moving from headquarters #1, no air conditioning, no heat, no sprinklers, no nothing. Cold as hell in the winter, hot as hell in the summer. It's actually, there was about 5 days where it was fantastic. Other than that, it pretty much just sucked. So we're moving up in the world. Let's take a look inside and say goodbye to the old Nomadic Cooling HQ, and then we'll go take a look at Nomadic Cooling headquarters #2, Peoria, Arizona. Let's go. Are we rolling, Kenneth? We're rolling. Elliot, come in here with the microphone. What would you say was your least favorite thing about Nomadic Cooling HQ numero uno in Phoenix, Arizona? What would you think?
The lack of heat in winter and probably the lack of cooling in summer.
Lack of heat and lack of cooling. Yeah. You see people, they don't make people like they used to. Not tough, okay? Sally's. He needs to toughen up is what I keep saying.
I need an office.
Oh, he wants an office, guys. Let's think about all the ways that I could do better for Elliot. Now I want to take a little look around and see all the beautiful work we did here. We had this beautiful mural made for Nomadic Cooling HQ1 for Phoenix, Arizona. And because Elliot keeps complaining about the temperature in here, we have to leave this beautiful place for a place with no mural. Way to go, Elliot. Can you get a picture of me like one of these with it just gracing me in the background, like where I'm floating up? Oh. How's that? Is it good? Okay. See, here was my thought, Elliot. I wanted to pan over to the thing and do this whole talk about why we're moving because of the crackheads. I was just thinking, I don't know if that's YouTube appropriate. So guys, this is the last look at Nomadic Cooling 1.0. I want to thank this building for everything that it's given us, everything that's happened here over the last year, and really just say thank you to you for everything you have done to support us in this move out of Phoenix into Peoria, where we have heat and air conditioning. Let's go take a look. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Gunner. Let's take a look. Oh, big jump. There she goes. Welcome to Nomadic Cooling 2.0. Let's take a little look in the new shop and see what we got. Come on, Roxy. Follow me, Kenneth. All right. Nomadic Cooling 2.0 HQ in Peoria, Arizona. The air is crisper, the air is cooler, it is definitely cleaner, and between you and me, there's less crack in Peoria. The #1 thing that I love about this place, follow me, Kenneth. If you believe it or not, this is HVAC. This is luxury, okay? Putting together air conditioners when it's 110 degrees inside the building, not a good look. Follow me around over to here. I want you to show you this. This is #2. It's magic, Kenneth. The sun is in my eye as I'm over here working, putting stuff together all day. But imagine this, Kenneth. Watch this now. Ta-da! And the sun is now out of my eye. So we have the bathroom over here. There's a mirror, there's a toilet, there's a door, there's a closet. I don't want to show you guys what's in here. Over here, there's another door. I'll show you that here in a second. But over here, electrical integration department, Kenneth. This is where we build the air conditioners from now on. The people who are putting together your air conditioners are going to be so happy building them in here. I think our quality is going to go up. Is it weird that management will be staring at the glass from now on, like pounding at it like this, being like, I demand more air conditioners, work harder? Like the cog in the machine, the employees back here just slaving away building these air conditioners with me just, let's go back outside. Let's go check it all out. There's a lot to see around here. The dogs love the place. Roxy's happy to come to work. This is electrical integration department. This is where we're gonna put all the batteries together when you come in to get your builds done. Your van's gonna pull right in. We're gonna put on air conditioners and we're gonna send you on your way. Gunner, where are you going? Now we're gonna get this thing all ship shape for you. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in here before we actually moved in. Today is actually moving day, but this is the whole thing. We can fit a few vans in here. Plus we do have the luxury of, like I said before, being climate controlled. And even more important than air conditioning, wall-to-wall, 14-foot garage doors and all that, great neighborhood, right off the 101 here in Peoria. I really want to stress this enough, and now I'm not saying anything about my neighborhood in Phoenix, but way better over here. Guys, tune in next episode, and we'll show you exactly what we do to this place to make it our home. Nomadic Cooling 2.0, Peoria, Arizona. See you next time.